a stranger. No, I am yours. With crippled anger and tears that still drip sore, a fragile frame aged with misery. And when
I have like the best fans in the world, so you know I can't just stop here. I gotta keep them.
I do not wanna be afraid. I do
The world
not
is a filthy place. It's a filthy goddamn horse show. So much pain, you know?
I'm tired of feeling so numb. Relief exists, I find it when I am cut. I may seem crazy, or painfully shy, and these scars wouldn't be so hidden if you would just look me